The video guide is about removing these malicious pop-up windows that come from the site Watchintensely-thespeedyfile.best. It's a fake software update alert and you should not trust it, because its mission is to actually infect your computer with a lot of potentially unwanted programs. By the way, if there is a need for you to perform any decent software update, you need to go to the system preferences. So there will be a special notification next to the software update icon, and if there is any update available, you'll be able to update it. However, Apple doesn't use any third-party websites for implementing any updates or for distributing any updates. So these pop-ups by this site Watchintensely-thespeedyfile.best is absolutely malicious. If you proceed and if you decide to update this something, you will be actually forced to install some potentially unwanted software like this extension for your browser, and it may end up in browser hijacking. So I strongly advise that you don't proceed. And if there was some malicious software installed, consider first of all, examining your available applications. If you find something suspicious here in the list, go ahead and remove it from the list. Finally, I also recommend double checking your Mac with a combo cleaner antivirus for Mac that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then click on Start Combo Scan to begin the research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually, one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threats from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.